Hey, what's up, guys? This is the third video I'm upgrading tonight. I got school tomorrow, so I'm going to have to stop in. And, yeah. This video is going to be pretty fun. Just kidding. I'm basically just going to, let's see, dang, no, I was trying to do a face cam or something, just to look at myself so you knew. You may have got a glimpse of it in a house tour, but let me just lower that down. Yeah, that's me. Kinda. If I can get a good angle. There we go, bros. That's just a glimpse of me and what I'm wearing right now. I have one subscriber just from the... What I know so far is I have one subscriber from the comments I've posted on other people's videos, so... Yeah, I don't know how I'm going to record me playing my Terraria or Minecraft, but it'll work. It'll work. So, that's the end of this video. You don't know. I'm not going to end it here. Yeah. And so, bye.